Hi, my name is Heshini Abeysundara. I recently completed my bachelor's in psychology here at Royal Institute campus, which is affiliated with the University of London with academic directions from King's College London. And I'm happy to share that I have passed with first class honours. I would like to say that the University of London's Bachelor in Psychology program is very well structured, and it covers a wide range of topics in the field of psychology like biological psychology, clinical psychology, neuroscience, and even areas like forensic psychology, organizational psychology, and health and addictive behaviors. We also covered statistics and research right throughout the degree, and I think it gave me a very good understanding of psychology overall. I would like to thank RIC, my academic coordinators, my lecturers, and my research supervisor, who have all been a very big part of my academic journey. They have been very supportive from the very beginning, and they've always been very approachable, and they made learning interesting and engaging. They were always willing to offer us that additional support whenever we needed it, whether it was explaining complex psychological concepts or even just encouraging us when things felt challenging. And something I really appreciate is that they didn't just teach us psychology, but they were genuinely interested in our growth as individuals, and that's something I'm very grateful for. Apart from the academic curriculum, one of the most meaningful experiences I had here at RIC is the Minds in Motion outreach project. It was a community-based initiative that was organized by the Department of Psychology that gave us the opportunity to directly engage and work with marginalized and vulnerable communities across multiple settings like mental health, rehabilitation, correctional, and community support settings. And I think that was a great learning experience for me personally, because it gave me the opportunity to apply and understand everything I learned during my lectures in real-world settings. And psychology is a subject that you can't only learn from theory alone. It's very important to have that practical exposure, and I'm very glad that I got the opportunity to experience that. Overall, I am glad that I chose RIC to complete my bachelor's in psychology, and I would recommend it to anyone who is considering it. And I would also like to thank all my lecturers, my friends and family for their constant support and encouragement.